The spinner wheel is a great tool for games and activities with your audience. Fill the wheel with whatever entries you want and spin it for a random result. To make one, create a new slide and select Spin a Wheel as your slide type. Type your heading in the box labeled Heading. Then type your entries into the entry field directly on the wheel. You can also delete any entries here by hovering over and clicking the trash icon. If you want to fill the wheel with the names of your presentation's participants, you can check this box here. If your participants have used their names on a previous slide in your presentation, the wheel will autofill with their names. If they haven't used their names beforehand, they'll be prompted to type in their names. Press the Present button and click the top bar of your slide to reveal the QR code. Your participants simply scan the code to join your presentation. Lastly, click play to spin the wheel. Now, let's start with the heading.